Hey guys, welcome back to Royal Stars. My name is Honey and today I am going to show you how to draw a dog from a dog. So again, first you need to write dog. You can use skill to write it, but I'm like free-handed. So yeah, my handwriting is not that good, but yeah, you have to write in this letters only, so it will work. Then you need to draw one more like this. It should be like another B here, so like this. And then you need to draw a straight line here, not till here, till G, only till here. So I will rub and fix it later. So yeah, till that time you need to draw like this smiley. Yeah, cute smiley. And here you need to draw one more big guy. I will fix it, guys, don't worry, I will fix it in every video. Now I will do this and I will again do this. You can use skill, there's no problem. I also wrote first time with skill, but now I'm like free-handed, so yeah. So we need to do this. Yeah, we didn't completed the wholly, but some more things. Need to add eyes here and here. Okay, now I'll fix it in 0.2 seconds and show you the final. Okay, so yeah guys, I didn't fix it a lot, but I have fixed it like it should be looking same. In the last video guys, it looks very different, but I swear I did it from the same method. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like this video and please like, share and subscribe to Royal Stars. Okay guys, bye.